When your Dell docking station's network port isn't working, we need to systematically diagnose the problem. The first step is determining whether this is a hardware or software issue. We'll start with hardware diagnostics since they're easier to verify and rule out. Let's begin with testing your Ethernet cable. First, test your Ethernet cable. Connect it to another device like a laptop or desktop to verify it's working. If you have a cable tester, use it to check for continuity. Always try a known good cable as well. Next, we'll test the docking station ports themselves to rule out hardware failure. Test the network ports on your docking station. If there are multiple ports, try a different one. Connect another device to the same port to verify its functioning. Look for any visible damage to the port. Power delivery issues can affect network port functionality. Let's verify your docking station is receiving adequate power. Ensure your docking station is receiving adequate power. Check that the power adapter is properly connected and has sufficient wattage for your docking station model. Look for any power indicator lights on the device. Finally, inspect all physical connections to ensure they're secure and undamaged. Inspect all physical connections. Ensure the USB or Thunderbolt connection to your computer is secure. Check for any visible damage to connectors and make sure all ports are clean and free of debris. If all hardware checks pass and the network port still isn't working, the issue is likely software related. This includes driver conflicts, configuration problems, or operating system issues that require advanced troubleshooting. When hardware checks out, the issue is likely driver or configuration related. Dell Command Update is your primary tool for managing docking station drivers, avoiding conflicts that Windows Update can cause. If a recent driver update caused the problem, you can roll back to a previous version. This is often necessary when Windows Update installs incompatible drivers. USB Selective Suspend can cause the Ethernet controller to become unresponsive during sleep and wake cycles. Disabling this feature in power management settings often resolves connectivity issues. BIOS or UEFI settings control how the system enumerates USB devices. Adjusting these settings ensures proper recognition of your docking station and its network controller. For persistent issues, you can use a PowerShell script to disable USB Selective Suspend system-wide. This command modifies the power configuration to prevent the docking station from entering sleep mode. These advanced troubleshooting steps address the most common driver and configuration issues with Dell docking station network ports. Start with Dell Command Update, then work through power management and BIOS settings as needed.